Hi everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to automatically sync your B-rolls to the music beats in Adobe Premiere Pro. This is a super handy trick to automate the placement of B-rolls based on the beat of your music. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Setting up your project. First, I've opened Premiere Pro and downloaded some clips and music for this tutorial. Let's start by importing our footage and audio. Drag and drop your files, footage and music, into the project panel. Before we do anything, we need to create a new sequence. Go to the New Item button at the bottom of the project panel. Select Sequence. From the preset options, I'll choose HD 1080p at 23.976 frames per second under the HD 1080 section. Give your sequence a name and click OK. Step 2. Importing your music. Drag your music file from the project panel into the timeline. By default, Premiere Pro imports the entire track, but we only want a specific section. Double-click the music file to open it in the source monitor. Play the music using the spacebar and identify the section you want to use. Press I on your keyboard to set the in point and O for the out point. Drag the audio icon from the source monitor into the timeline to place your trimmed music. Step 3. Adding markers to the beat. Now, let's add markers to the music so we can sync the B-rolls to the beat. Deselect any clips in the timeline by clicking in an empty area. Play the music and press M on your keyboard at each beat to add a marker. Tip: use the spacebar to play the music and press M in real time as you hear the beats. Make sure the markers are added to the sequence and not to the audio clip. Step 4. Importing and preparing your B-rolls. Double-click your footage in the project panel to open it in the source monitor. For each clip, use I and O to set an in point and out point, trimming unusable parts. Select all your trimmed clips by holding Shift and clicking on each clip. Step 5. Automating B-rolls to the markers. Here's the exciting part. Let's automate the placement of the B-rolls. With your clip selected, go to the Clip menu and choose Automate to Sequence. In the dialog box, set Ordering to Selection Order. For placement, choose at Unnumbered Markers. Click OK, and Premiere Pro will automatically place your B-roll clips on the timeline aligned with the markers. Step 6. Review and adjust. Play back your sequence to ensure the B-rolls sync perfectly with the beats. If needed, you can fine-tune the placement or trim individual clips. And that's it. You've successfully synced your B-rolls to the music beats in Adobe Premiere Pro. This method saves a ton of time and gives your video a professional touch. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content about Premiere Pro and video editing. See you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.